Hello, my friends. I've been trying to get on, but there's been a lot of technical difficulties here. So, trade opportunities in the morning. If you were checking out the 1-day forecast for today on the website, on our website, tarotfortraders.com, just go to the forecast page, type in the date. You'll get today's spread, which was done way back when. In any case, so there's trade opportunity in the morning. I cashed in on some puts right around the open, and then waited for a little bit of a resistance level to climb based on the art card being from 9:30 to 10 and some clairvoyant impressions on top of that. But I cashed in right around the morning just because it was the ace of discs. And now I actually bought more puts when we hit the resistance, stacked up on some short positions. We may have a little bit of a push higher here before a drop. If we push higher, it's going to be likely to if we push higher from here, it'll probably be to the 200-day moving average on a 1-minute chart. It's roughly 464.90. But there's going to be a much bigger drop. So when I look at the overview for the month, we have the moon card for today. It's a wild swings or a sharp drop, usually sharp drop. Especially when combined with the ruin card, which is the theme card for today. But the interesting thing is that there's a local low correlator here. There's also the moon card. The moon card happens to be right smack in the middle of the 1-day spread. So they correlate with each other, making that a significant moment midday, roughly 12 to 1. And I also have a clairvoyant impression there expressing some sort of trade, possibly. And then right at the close, we have a trade. Now, there's the prudence card right at the close. I'm thinking that whichever way we're headed, right at the close, we got the indolence card here in the post, and then we have the indolence card here the next day. I'm going to be holding my shorts until tomorrow morning, just like today. There's an ace of discs again tomorrow morning. But it is an up day. Like, not an update per se, but a big push to a resistance level out of a significant trough or scary decline. But we're trading on the end of some sort of trade, the completion of a so I'll likely want to buy calls tomorrow morning, sell my puts, buy my calls, and then load up on some puts again when I see that Princess of Swords happen. And also for today, we have the strife card in the high position, in the high correlation. And the strife card is basically a downward trend with spikes up towards the resistance, like bouncing down off of resistance levels. And those resistance levels are usually almost certainly the moving averages. So, when you see like a breakdown and we break down through the moving averages, and then we hit some sort of support, bounce back up, hit the moving averages, and then drop further down, that's basically the strife card. So that being in the high position, it's a pretty good indication that we're on a downward trend. Mix that with the ruin card for the theme, and you got a pretty significant indication of downward momentum. And there you go. As I'm saying it, we're dropping. It's currently 10:13. If you look at a 1-day chart, we got a big downward spike going on. All right, guys. So that's that. I'll likely hop on midday or towards the end of the day because there's some trade opportunities there. But you know the plan. You can always comment, right? I get back to everybody. So you have questions, you can always go to the website, message me. Like you can direct message me on the website, tarotfortraders.com, like anytime, and I'll get back to you. Or you could comment on YouTube. You could comment on one of our social medias, send a message, whatever you want. If you got questions, let me know. Other than that, like, share, subscribe, let people know what's up. And good luck to y'all. Blessings. I'll see y'all later.